Hey guys, it's Chris.
And Lilith.
It's time for this month's
#snackcrate.
So you ready to find out what this month's is?
Yeah.
It is Japan. Here's our little extra little snippets. So are you ready to find out a little bit about Japan?
Yes.
Right. Japan's capital is Tokyo. Their currency is the yen. They have a population of 126,760,000. They have a total land area of 145,935.91 square miles. And here's a picture of the Tokyo skyline with Mount Fuji, the flag, and a picture, a little map thing of Japan. So here's a little bit about Japan. Japan is an island country in East Asia located in the Pacific Ocean. It lies to the east of the Sea of Japan, the East China Sea, China, North Korea, South Korea, and Russia, stretching from the Sea of Okhotsk in the north to the East China Sea and Taiwan in the south. The kanji that make up Japan's name mean sun origin, and it is often called the land of the rising sun. Japan is a stratovolcanic archipelago of 6,852 islands. The four largest are Honshu, Hokkaido, Kyushu, and Shikoku, which make up about 97% of Japan's land area. The country is divided into 47 prefectures and 8 regions. The population of 126 million is the world's 10th largest. Japanese make up 98.5% of Japan's total population. The Greater Tokyo area, which includes Tokyo and several surrounding prefectures, is the world's largest metropolitan area with over 35 million residents and the world's largest urban agglomeration economy.
Late night dancing.
Fun facts.
Late night dancing is illegal. Japan has about 1,500 earthquakes per year. The average train delay in Japan is 18 seconds. It's only considered late if it's 5 minutes behind schedule. Passengers will receive a delay certificate to give to their boss or teacher that explains their tardiness. Japan consists of 6,800 islands. Sleeping on the job is completely okay. In Japan, it's seen as a sign of hard work.
Damn, I'm gonna go work in Japan.
In 1997, 685 kids went to the hospital due to a Pokemon show.
So there's also a picture here. It says the Golden Pavilion at Kinkakuji Temple in Kyoto. All right, so are we ready to see what we have in our box?
Yes.
All right, so first, let's find our little drink. Ooh, look at that. I cannot read it. It is in mostly Japanese, but it says Shirakiku carbonated drink, Ramune drink. So, probably on the last page.
It is Rumen soda. This beverage is very popular in Japan, where it comes in a variety of unusual flavors, and it's sealed with a marble.
See, there's a marble right there in the middle.
What?
Right there. How the heck do we get it open? What the heck? Ta-da! Alright, let's see if I can get this. Woohoo!
Look at that. Bubbles.
This is so cool. There's a little marble in there. That's so cool. It smells kind of like cream soda. Tastes kind of like Sprite.
Yep.
So, lots of light and airy snacks here. I think these are all the same, just different packaging. So let's try the green one.
Yeah.
Kind of like the Italian flag colors. So this one got a picture of a pizza on it.
Wait, what? Oh, yeah. And a cat.
So these look to be called umaibo. This delicious stick is a puffed corn snack available in many flavors. They've included 4: pizza, teriyaki, squid, and curry. So here's your pizza. Looks like this one here is gonna be the teriyaki. This one's probably the squid. And here's your curry. So we're gonna try the pizza one first. We're gonna save the other ones for later. Kind of looks like a churro. It tastes like kind of like combos. The flavoring that's on it with the texture of a Cheeto. So
And
that
it's crunchy.
is pretty good. So we'll do our next one, which feels to be some type of gummy.
Happy Nugo.
Nikukyu.
These gummy candies are shaped like little cat
Pause.
paws, as sweet as they are flavorful.
Picture of a kitty cat on it. And they're resealable. They got a little zipper on them. They smell very flavorful.
Yeah.
They're very, very
This is
soft
what it looks like.
and covered in sugar. They're pink and white.
Is that what it's supposed to look like?
I'm not sure I like that coating. It doesn't taste like sugar. But the
That's
gummies are
good.
actually pretty good. So I gotta save those for later. It looks like we got some more. Puru mochi. Grape flavored mochi. Mochi is a traditional Japanese rice cake made by pounding rice into paste and molding it into a shape. This one is not resealable, but they are in their own individual packages. So that's pretty cool.
I'm gonna eat you opening this. Oh,
So this is another type of gummy thing. This square
it kind of looks like
covered in some type of sugary
it kind
substance,
of looks
maybe.
like a warhead gummy. It doesn't taste like a warhead gummy.
But it tastes like grapes,
Yeah, it does.
like grape jelly. So if you like grape jelly, that's great. So we have what? We have Pocky Sticks.
A smooth green.
These are green tea covered Pocky Sticks.
A smooth green tea cream wrapped around a tasty, crispy cookie biscuit snack
Stick.
Stick. Light and refreshing.
Alright, so if I can get this open without tearing it too bad.
Yeah.
Well, it's nice and sealed. So we can get one of these out. Ta-da! It's like a breadstick dipped in green stuff.
Or it's like a half bamboo and half.
Smells like tea.
Kind of.
It's actually pretty good. That was pretty darn good. Not too shabby. Alright, so this looks like hard candies. Choco
Crunchy
Ball.
on the outside and soft in the middle. With a crisp texture. These candies are seriously active.
If I can figure out how to get these open.
Here we can try.
Yeah, I'm just gonna do this. Okay, that didn't work out the way I was hoping.
Yeah.
Japanese people must have a lot of patience to open their candy.
This is what it
Little
looks
tiny weight balls. Kind of like a jawbreaker. But chewy, the inside kind of tastes like gum. I don't know. Not too bad.
good. I say it's good.
So, we've got Choco Balls. Fantastic chocolate covered caramel balls. One of the most iconic Japanese candies. Opens with a flap. Nice little tiny chocolate ball.
Oh, delicious.
Kind of like Milk Duds. Still pretty good. Not big on chocolate caramel stuff, but
Think you
That's
don't like
good.
Snickers?
Snickers has peanuts in it.
And caramel.
So we have Pizza Pretz.
It is the flavor of a hearty pizza baked right in Pizza Pretz. Is a snack like no other. Quite simply, it tastes like
Tastes just like pizza.
pizza. It's gonna taste like pizza.
Can you wait? Till I get mine. So it looks like a breadstick, kind of like a Pocky Stick, but with nothing else on it. But it has the seasoning, so it's kind of like a Pocky Stick mixed with the pizza little puffed one. Whoops.
Miss your mouth.
That was really, really good. It was delicious.
Mm-hmm.
It does kind of taste like pizza. Alright. So this is High Chew Apple. Soft, chewy candy that tastes like sweet green apples. Well, I thought green apples were sour. Smells like apple. And they're all little individually wrapped tiny little things.
Looks like they're gum. Looks like they're gum.
Kind of wrapped like gum, but it says it's just a chewy candy. Nice and green. Looks like it's a little white too.
Oh yeah. That's sweet. And good.
Kind of got the texture of Starburst.
Mm-hmm.
Definitely getting a lot of apple flavor. So, Next, we've got KitKats. Looks like we've got 4 different kinds of KitKats, all different flavors.
Pink.
It says KitKats in Japan are offered in over 250 different flavors. We've included a sampling of our favorites. We got a pink one, green one that's got no man on it. Looks like he's drinking some tea. That one feels like it melted a little bit and reformed. We got just some green one and a black one.
We should try the pink one.
You want to try the pink one?
Yeah.
Alright, so we're going to try the pink one, which is probably going to be something strawberry-ish, maybe. So, it's actually pink.
I'm going to do what I always
Smells kind of like strawberry.
with Lego KitKats.
Definitely some type of berry flavor. Okay. That's
And
pretty
the
good.
inside, it tastes like it tastes like Pop Rocks and then inside.
Alright, you ready? We are going to try Puku Puku Thai chocolate fish. Rich chocolate wafer cookie in the shape of a fish. So, it's probably filled with chocolate. Looks like a fish. Flip it upside down. Looks like a fish. So,
Give me the tail. Oh.
well,
I'm gonna eat that and
I think the inside kind of melted a little bit. Made it a little more hollow than it probably was intended.
That's delicious.
It's good. It tastes like those sugar wafer cookies. So that was our last snack. So I think I give this about a 9 out of 10.
9 out of 10.
Mostly because it's got quite a bit of chocolate, and I'm not a big chocolate person.
I like the chocolates part, but
Lots of good candies.
some of, and I like the
So,
and I
The
like
pizza-
the
the pizza
pizza
Preds.
Preds.
so until next month. See you guys.